Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 4.4. Without computing adjoint of A, find the determinant of adjoint of A. There are two subdivisions for that. First, let's start with the first one, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix. 1, 3, minus 1, 4. So let's find the value of determinant of A. So in this case, it is going to be determinant of 1, 3, minus 1 and 4. So if you evaluate, it is 4 minus of minus 3, which is 7. In this case, the order of this matrix n is going to be equal to 2. So now let's find the value of determinant of adjoint of A, which is nothing but determinant of A to the power n minus 1. So 7 to the power 2 minus 1 is 7. So in this case, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to 7. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Here A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first let's evaluate determinant of A. So this is minus 2, 0, 0, 3, 4, 0, 10 minus 7, 3. Now let's evaluate this determinant. I'm going to expand along the row because two of those elements are 0. All we have to do is minus 2 into cross multiplication of this. So this is going to be 4 into 3 is 12 minus 7 into 0 is 0. So 12 into 20 minus 2, the answer is minus 24. Now according to the formula, n is equal to 3 here. So let's according to the formula, determinant of adjoint of A is determinant of A to the power n minus 1. So minus 24 the whole power. Here it is n is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So in this case minus into minus is plus. 24 square is 576. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.